Hello guys! Good morning! Happy Thursday! Thursday na guys! Update namin today guys. Medyo walay adlaw. Lapay adlaw. Ngayon tayo hapon. Mainit na. Cloudy man eh. Cloudy.
We went Marshall. But then we did it to 15. Because we're a tie. And that was our first tie. No win yet. No actual win yet. Because we were quiet.
Update namin.
Good day. Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
Hey, Dad.
Bye, Dan.